Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another video where I try to do the impossible, which is creating over 300, not over, but exactly 300 scenes by the end of this year using Blender 2.8 and the real-time render engine EEVEE. And we are actually right now preparing a new batch of scenes which you're going to upload. So the number is going to be around 24 by the time this video is uploaded. And it's a nice thing, our mission is very noble. There's a very big shortage of models for Blender 2.8, and most of us are not hardcore modelers, and we just want to have a scene and put our characters in there and start animating. Most of us are storytellers, so this scene and many other will be available on Patreon for just $2 a month. You can get access to this scene and all the other 24 beautiful scenes on our Patreon page. And you guys, stop trolling me, stop pressuring me about the Sintel 2 film which I said I'll do. You're pressuring me now to the point I don't want to divide my attention between this goal of creating 300 Blender 2.8 scenes. I still have a lot of scenes that you guys have, models that you guys have submitted. I haven't even checked most of them, and like I said, I'll try. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I previously asked on our group, you guys to send me scenes so that I can convert them into Blender 2.8 scenes that we actually created from our website, the Animation Factory. If you don't know what that is, actually this channel originated from a website. It was my membership website, the Animation Factory, where we created a lot of assets. It was actually a very exclusive group. We created a lot of assets so that you can start creating animation as fast as possible. But the game is changing. You have now Blender 2.8. It's here. EEVEE is here. So this is going to be our new mission. And that website is no longer available anymore. But some of the tutorials I've uploaded them here on YouTube, so you can go and check them out. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's very important. YouTube needs to know that we are a strong army. Yeah, goodbye.